Welcome to 133 Torresdale Avenue, a quiet building nestled on G.Ross Lord Park. As you enter this massive two-bedroom condo, notice the functional L-shaped dining and living room, perfectly located next to the eat-in kitchen. This wide layout provides a panoramic park, city, and sunset view from every room. The large master bedroom includes a walk-in closet and a 4-piece ensuite bathroom. The second bedroom is very spacious and can be split to create a third bedroom if desired. It's conveniently located next to the second 4-piece bathroom and laundry room. The building amenities include a security guard, gym, party room, outdoor pool, and visitor parking. Welcome home.